do I connect a microscope camera to Sparkvue? This is a PASCO microscope, along with the optional accessory microscope camera. Do not connect the USB cable to your device yet. I'll show that step in a moment, but first make sure on your device everything but Sparkvue is closed so that way the camera does not connect to the incorrect app. In Sparkvue, choose Connect to Sensor. On your microscope, remove the eyepiece and replace it with the microscope camera. And now is the time to plug in the USB cable to your device while you're looking at this screen. I'm going to plug mine in now so you can see what happens. And you can see, as soon as I plugged in that cable, this new template shows up along with a camera name and with an image box checked. So right now I'm just showing how PASCO's digital microscope camera works. If you're using Sparkvue on a smaller screen, scroll down to see the template. To use a non-PASCO microscope camera, go up to the Onboard Devices option. Click it and turn on the camera that you're interested in. For example, right here, I just turn that camera on and it shows up over here on the connected cameras. But I'm going to leave that off and move along with the PASCO camera and select OK. Choose the template to get the display to show. Make sure that the power is on to your microscope so that you have any lighting coming on from below or above your sample, and work with your microscope as usual. If the wrong image is showing up in the live picture, use the Choose Camera icon located at the bottom of the image to select the proper camera. If you're not sure which one to choose, just click through the options until the right one shows up. To learn how to capture images and use other analysis tools in Sparkvue, watch the other available How Do I videos for the microscope.